What's up, guys? It's Devon. Devon is gone. You already know. It's pouring like hell. It's horrible.
Any last words?
I'm with Brent. She's the driver. Not looking too good for us. We got the donuts though, and we got the Starbucks. We secured the bag.
I can't see.
Ignore the screams crying for help. Okay. So we're doing pretty good right now. We're gonna make it.
I hope.
No, we're going to. There's no hoping.
You will make it. I will make sure that you make it.
Nigga, there's no hoping. We're both gonna make it out of this shit. I'm not fucking doing this.
Look, we literally brought the storm with us.
Facts,
we were
bro.
at Krispy Kreme. It started pouring. Then it was fine. And then it rained the whole way here. And then it hadn't hit easily yet for like 2 minutes. And then it just, I've never driven in rain this bad.
It's horrible.
I like cannot see. This whole time going into Easley, I've been guessing. Because I can't see.
Facts, bro.
Guessing where the lane is and all. That's how I made a good grade on my test. I'm a good guesser.
Yeah. I don't like this game no more.
You said I don't like this game anymore?
No, I don't like this game anymore.
You know what this is? This is the nightmare level. This is exactly what this is. Remember that game you downloaded?
No wonder why this game has 2 stars. Oh.
It actually challenges your life.
Yeah.
You fight for your life for real.
Whenever they said you had 1 life, I didn't know they meant like this.
Bro, my back is sweating.
Why is your back sweating?
Because I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
You gotta just kind of hope. Like, what if somebody else hydroplane went into us?
I mean, I don't know why my back's sweating because of Krispy Kreme. And it's in my lap. I don't know. I
Is
feel
your
like...
heat a Tino?
No.
I feel like mine is.
No, it's not.
It's not?
No.
I'm just that hot?
Yeah. Saying the fact that the AC's on 76. I'm just...
AC cold though, bud.
Oh no.
If we about to get out in the rain, then you really gonna be cold.
Jesus, take the wheel.
We're going.
This is fun.
This is not fun.
This is very fun.
And the air is cold.
That's not even that cold. Okay, it is.
Really?
It is kind of cold. Bro, you better chill with that, bro. Oh no.
It's cold. And then think about getting out in this rain.
I know, bro. You got me messed up, bro.
Oh, look, it calmed down for a second.
It calmed down.
Oh, okay. That's just because the clouds aren't over here yet. Uh-oh.
Oh. You need to chill.
Please do not crush
You
that
need
box.
to chill. I'm not crushing the box. You're crushing the box. I'm not crying. You're crying.
It sounds like we're going very fast, but we're not.
Yeah.
We're going 45 miles per hour.
Chilling. Road
We're gonna
subject
turn here.
to flooding.
Because last time I went on the other road while it was raining,
Bridge
I almost
ice
died.
Well, I'm not surprised this area is not flooded yet.
Yeah. How's your day, despite the rain?
Freaking horrible.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No donuts for you.
I suffered through hell with you, and you're taking my donuts away? Sure.
Sure.
Sure. Inside joke.
Sure.
Sure.
You.
Sure. Oh, like zoinks.
Oh,
Oh, who's that? Looks like we're not grilling today. Would you say that car ride successful?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the end of the vlog today. It's quite boring, quite scary. Go hit up Bren's YouTube channel at Wes and Bren. It'll be in the description.
Like, comment, subscribe.
At the top. I just gave her a free shout out. So